So let's talk about our next question. So here the question is, a 60 years old lady with a blood stain discharged from the nipple with a family history of breast cancer. Let's try to look into this question, right? So here there is a 60 years old lady, that is the number one clue. There is a blood stain discharge, right, from the nipple. And the patient is also had some family history of the breast cancer. What is going to be the next best step for her will be? So the options are ductoscopy, sonomammography, nipple discharge, cytology, and the MRI. Let's try to understand, right? So here, specifically in that question, there is a mention of the positive family history of the breast cancer. So this positive family history of the breast cancer or the BRCA1 patient, they are the one who are basically categorized as a high risk individual for the development of the breast cancer. So in that cases, we always like to go for the MRI. Okay. So MRI is always best in that case, or you can call it as MRI is specifically indicated with the high risk woman. Okay. Now here some situation or the some scenario will also come while evaluating a patient with the breast lump with the help of the mammogram or the USG. So there might be unconclusive finding, or the report will be there, or some suspicious finding is there which is not adequately characterized by the other imaging techniques. In that cases also, yes, your MRI is going to be very much helpful. So these are, so MRI is basically the reserve investigation, right? Now your invasive ductal carcinoma, the DCIS, ductal carcinoma in situ, these are the one which eventually presented with a bloody nipple discharge, which is basically given as a clue in this question, right? So that is very much important. Now your initial evaluation, while you start evaluating a patient with a breast lump or any kind of breast problem, it start with a triple assessment. Now, this triple assessment always starts with a clinical evaluation with a proper history taking. And following that, it basically came up with the imaging. Now, the imaging basically starts with the USG and the mammography. Now, the mammography is specifically preferred with the age more than 40 years, and the USG is specifically preferred with the age that is less than 40 years, or the younger age woman with a pregnancy, lactation. So these are the indications, right? And then comes your tissue diagnosis. Now, the tissue diagnosis can be obtained with the help of the FNAC and the true cut biopsy, or that can be obtained with the help of the ultrasound as well. But obviously, your true cut biopsy is the best way to get that biopsy done. Now, here the breast MRI, this MRI basically offers us what? It's a high sensitivity investigation, specifically detecting the malignancy, also better imaging for the dense breast tissue. Also, there is a multifocal or the contralateral breast disease that can be there, or in case of a implant rupture, here we can also use the MRI in such cases, right? Now, as I have already mentioned, it's a basically high risk screening method for high risk individuals or the patient with a strong family history of the breast. So here is the another brain teaser for you guys. So there is a early screening strategies there, right? So a woman with a hereditary breast ovary cancer syndrome with a BRCA mutation is enrolled for the high risk screening program, right? So here her physician basically recommends for the MRI screening in the addition to mammography, right? So the MRI screening always begins earlier than the routine population screening. That is the clue for you. Now, you have to answer me at what age should the best MRI screening begin in a patient with a hereditary breast ovary syndrome? Okay, let me know the answer in the comment section. Whoever else is able to answer fast will get some gift from our side, cancer, right? So that's why here a patient with a bloody or the blood stain discharge from the nipple with a positive family history, you should always go with a MRI. Okay, you should always go with a MRI.